Enhancing UX design efficiency with Axure, or real case study. In this case study, we will focus on a digital agency called DigitalSolutions, which specializes in creating web and mobile applications. The agency faced challenges in effectively communicating design concepts to clients, gathering feedback, and iterating on designs efficiently. To address these challenges, they adopted Axure as their primary prototyping tool. DigitalSolutions struggled with the traditional design process, which relied on static wireframes and lengthy design documentation. This made it difficult for clients to visualize the final product and provide actionable feedback. The agency sought a solution that would enable them to create interactive prototypes, gather meaningful feedback, and iterate on designs more efficiently. Solution. By implementing Axure, DigitalSolutions transformed their design process. They leveraged Axure's powerful features, such as dynamic panels, adaptive views, and interactive widgets, to create highly interactive and realistic prototypes. Axure's intuitive interface and extensive library of pre-built components allowed the design team to rapidly prototype and iterate on designs. Impact on collaboration. Axure significantly improved collaboration among DigitalSolutions' design team, developers, and clients. The interactive prototypes created in Axure served as a common platform for communication and understanding. Clients could experience the user journey, interact with different elements, and provide valuable feedback, leading to more informed design decisions and a stronger sense of ownership. Streamlining design iterations. Axure's rapid prototyping capabilities enabled DigitalSolutions to iterate on designs more efficiently. The design team could quickly incorporate client feedback, make design changes, and test new ideas. Axure's ability to create reusable components and interactive states reduced redundancy and saved time during the design iteration process. User-centric design. With Axure, DigitalSolutions placed a stronger emphasis on user-centered design. They conducted user testing sessions using Axure prototypes, gathering insights and identifying usability issues early in the design process. This iterative approach allowed them to refine the user experience and create designs that better met user needs and expectations. Improved user experience. By utilizing Axure, DigitalSolutions delivered a superior user experience. The interactive prototypes allowed them to validate design decisions, test different interactions, and refine the user interface. This resulted in a final product that was more intuitive, engaging, and aligned with user expectations. This real case study demonstrates the significant impact of Axure on the UX design process. By adopting Axure, DigitalSolutions improved collaboration, streamlined design iterations, and delivered a superior user experience. Axure's interactive prototypes empowered the team to create designs that were more user-centric, leading to increased client satisfaction and successful project outcomes.